Here's the complete story. I traveled to Chiang Mai and visited the Happy Elephant Home, an elephant sanctuary that prioritizes elephant welfare and conservation. I was excited to spend the day interacting with the rescued Asian elephants, and it was an amazing experience. Since I was in a wheelchair, the sanctuary had made arrangements for me to access the areas where the elephants were bathing. A pickup truck was used to take me to the riverbank, where I could watch and take pictures as the elephants enjoyed their bath time. Although I couldn't join them on the riverbank, I was still able to get up close and personal with these amazing animals. One highlight was when an elephant gently took bananas from my hand. What an incredible moment! I also mentioned that one of the handlers poked an elephant with a pin to keep it on the path, which was a bit sad to see. However, I understood that it's part of the training process to ensure the elephant's safety. The Asian elephants at the sanctuary were majestic creatures with their large ears and gentle eyes. I learned that they are an endangered species, and the sanctuary is working hard to protect and conserve them. After working up an appetite, I enjoyed a delicious lunch on site, trying some local specialties and learning about Thai cuisine. The food was amazing, and it was a great way to refuel for the rest of my adventure. I'm creating content for my YouTube channel about my travels and experiences as a wheelchair user, and this video is sure to be a hit. I'm excited to share my story and inspire others to explore the world, regardless of their abilities. Elephant Love, Chiang Mai, Wheelchair Travel, Thailand, Happy Elephant Home, Elephant Sanctuary, Travel with a Disability, Inspiration, Adventure awaits.